Hey, good afternoon, folks. JT from Scenic Driveways here. Hey, I just got done fixing my truck. I changed the Serpentine Belt and I changed the Serpentine Belt tensioner, the whole assembly. I'll show you what they look like. Here is the belt tension assembly, and there's the Serpentine belt, and that one's still pretty good. I'm going to throw that under my seat. I'm going to throw this one under my seat because it still works, just not really good, but in a pinch it'll get me where I need to go. And this is the belt that I replaced in the engine. Right there. Now, if you take that belt off, take a picture of it before you take it off. This way you won't forget how it goes back on. I know how it goes back on, so I didn't need to do that. Some cars have a diagram, but you can always take a little film or a picture of it, and then you'll know how it goes back on. And this right here is the tensioner. It keeps tension on that belt. If you hear your belt start to squeak or something like that, chances are that tension is bad. It's not putting enough tension on the belt, and it's going to weigh your belt out, and you'll end up breaking it, and you'll be stuck on the road. So anyway, it's about a 15-minute job. I want to thank Brian over here at the camp, Brian Means. I needed an extra pair of hands for a second, and he came over and gave me a hand for a second, and we got it done. So anyway, I appreciate you watching, folks. May God bless you all. Take care.